So I made a Vinted account last month and I just received my first sale. This is me making my thank you card. I customize it on Canva and then I use the Moonbin label printer to print it out. However, that's besides the point. I find it very hard to let go of my stuff. So this that I'm selling now, I kind of want to cancel the order and keep it. Am I sad for want to do that? However, I'm still gonna send it, but I think I kind of ripped off myself because this item I sell for £5 on Vinted and I wish that I increased the price, but the damage has already been done. This is me packaging it, sending it off to its new owner. Yes, but on my channel I do customize gifts and I also make customized cards like this, making my own DIYs. So I think I package it very well so the customer can have it. So now I'm just trying to line up this and cut it. Guys, you guys are Vinted. When I just list the item, first I listed at £10 I believe, and then I wasn't getting any sale, so that's why I decreased the price. And now I got the sale, I'm like, I think I lowball myself. £5, this person is getting a bargain, and on top of it I'm packaging it with love. I am putting a lot into this Vinted packaging. You will see once it's done, so keep on watching. Okay, so right here I'm clipping the four corners so that it looks more professional and just make it looks more cleaner and neat. So I did 2 on 1, so if someone else should order, they'll get the other one. This is a template that I found on Canva as well, and because I just incorporated and put my name on it, put my own spin on it, so you can too. If you've got a vintage store, I don't think you have to go through all of this. I'm just extra. I like to present things. I like presentation, to be honest. I like to make things look cute. I like packaging gifts and stuff like that. So I did spray some of my Givenchy perfume on it to get that that sparkly look. So that's why it looks like that, and I absolutely love it. I think I can make these and sell on my Etsy store. What do you guys think? So this is the box that I'm gonna send it in. This is a Dr. Martin box that I have for a long time. I think I've got this box about 10 years now. I don't own a Dr. Martin Boo or Doc Martin Boo. However, I just happen to have it. So this is the shoes. It's a leopard print painted platform heel that I got from New Look. So New Look is a store in the UK. So this is a size 7 and it's just like that. I worn it twice. I've worn it twice, but I didn't wear it outside like that. It's always I get dropped off at the event, and then when I reach in the event I put it on, so that's why it looks that new. However, it's a bit hard to walk in, to be honest. That's why I'm selling it, because it's a bit hard to walk in. Around the top it's squeezing me a bit because it's too close, and because it's painted it's a bit hard. So if I stand in it too long, it might squeeze my heel, and we can't have that. So I use that wrapping paper that I got from, where did I got this wrapping bag? I got it from IKEA. And now I'm using this thank you sticker that I got from Amazon. Yes, this is a 5 centimeter one, or I must say it's a 2-inch as well. So I'm just going to use it to seal that. And then I have a thank you sticker. No, not the thank you sticker. Sorry. I'm going to put the thank you card that I customized on the top. And then when I closed it, guys, I'm going to use another thank you sticker that I got from Temu. yes, I did a Temu haul. So if you haven't seen it, go and check it out because I uploaded a Temu haul just before this one. So I uploaded that one yesterday. So this is how it looks. Very cute. I think they're gonna love it with the packaging and everything. I don't think they're gonna expect to get this type of packaging. So that says thank you, open me. So this is what I got from Temu. I think it was about 17, I can't remember to be honest, but I think maybe £1 or pence for it. Because this is my first Vinted order, I'm not sure how it works. On Etsy, I know that they take percentage of the cost and everything like that, but on Vinted, I'm not sure if they take a cut of it, but they said that I'm gonna get £5 once it's shipped, so we'll see about that. Now we have our poly mailer. It's a good thing that I bought these big ones. These were originally for my clothing brand, but I want something more aesthetic for my clothing brand. So I'm going to use these poly bags for my vintage shop. And this fits perfectly, guys. The customer chose Every for their delivery service, so that's what I'm using for this parcel. It's good that customer can choose whatever service they want to be delivered. So currently going to the Every parcel drop-off shop to drop off my first ever Vinted order. After this, I'll have a sit down on how I started. It off, I got my receipt, so they said that ensure that you keep your receipt. Hey guys, so I just got back from dropping off my parcel. Well, I got back about an hour ago and I have to work. So some people might be saying I'm complaining about not wanting to let go of my things, but some people do have a connection with their clothing that they find it so hard to let go of them, and I am one of them, and I'm learning as I go. But anywho, this is my first ever Vinted sale. I opened Vinted about a month ago. I think it was the first week in June or the second week in June, I'm not sure when, but it was last month, and I just got my first sale. So that item that you saw, packaging, I sold it for £5. I think I bought it for about £15 or £12 from New Look. So I also put all that information within the description of that listing, as I say. But the thing is, because this is my first sale on Vinted, I'm not sure how it goes or if they take a percentage of the sale like Etsy. I just know that I didn't have to pay for listing, I didn't have to pay for shipping or anything like that. But in my order account, it says that £5 is due to me, and that is what I sold the item for. So when that comes to my account, I will then get the confirmation on whether or not they take a cut. In my head, like, how do they get sales? How do they make money if they don't take a cut of what you sell? A friend of mine was saying that they might make money based on adverts. If you're on the platform and your thing's not selling, maybe that bump up option, you get to bump your things, you pay to advertise your listing, so maybe that's how they get money. But yeah, so far I find Vinted easy to put your listing, easier than Etsy, even though Etsy is not a second-hand seller, but I find it so easy to take the pictures and upload them to the website. I've got a few views here and there. People favorite your stuff. They will give you some price range as well. It's up to you whether or not you want to stay within that price range or you think your thing is worth more. In my opinion, I think my shoes was worth more than £5 because I listed it as 10, but because I wasn't getting a sale, I put it at 5. But it is what it is. I am happy with how I package it. I think I went overboard, but that's me. I like presentation, as I said before. But yeah, if I get another sale on Vinted, I'm sure I'm going to package it again on this channel. So if that's something you want to see, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Everything that I use in this video, I will leave it in the description below. I get some of my packaging stuff from Amazon and also from Temu. I did a Temu haul, so check that out if you want some inspiration on gifts and business supply, Cricut dupes. So yes, on this channel we do business content for learning and growing entrepreneur like myself. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if that's something you want to be a part of, journey being an entrepreneur, a crafter, etc. So thanks for watching. Bye.